Have you ever wanted to change up your look on Snapchat without actually snapping a new pic? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to change your Bitmoji pose in just a few quick steps. It's a fun way to add some personality and spice up your profile, so let's dive in. First things first, open up your Snapchat app and head over to your profile by clicking on the Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Now that you're on your profile page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll see an option that says Pose and Background. Click on that and a new menu will pop up with different options for customizing your Bitmoji. What we're focusing on today is the Poses section. Here's where it gets fun. Scroll through and select the pose that best fits your vibe. Whether you're feeling cool, casual, or totally relaxed, there's a pose for every mood. Once you've found the perfect one, just hit save and voila! Your Bitmoji now has a fresh new look, ready to represent you in style across Snapchat. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.